everyone, welcome to Wilson and the Family Kitchen. Today we are making chicken satay. First step, chop this last spring onion up. Watch those fingers. So next, we're gonna put in the spring onion. Then we're going to add in our cooking oil, and then we'll process until smooth. Let's just pour this all in. So now we're going to process it in our food processor. Gotta press this button and this button at the same time. 3, 2. Adding the garlic, 2 tablespoons, and plop. Okay. Now we're gonna use our tablespoon again on the sugar. 2 tablespoons. Okay, thank you. So everyone, we got a new kitchen tool. It's called the leveler. And 2 teaspoons of salt. Oh, there's the salt.
What? We also need, a tablespoon of chili garlic sauce.
Ah, yes. Let's use the garlic side. Technically, the chili garlic sauce already has garlic. 1 tablespoon. Unless you want it spicy. A little amount, it's good. And some curry powder. 2 teaspoons of curry powder. Alright, and my mom also wants to add in some lime juice. This would be it. Very, very easier if I had a squeezer. So this is 3 pounds of chicken, and you have to marinate it at least for 3 hours. Smells good. Yeah. Now we'll just let it sit for 3 hours. Now you want to make sure all the chicken is covered. It's probably what you want to do. Yeah. So now we're gonna soak our skewers because then they won't burn. Now you just do this for a while. So I guess stay like this for 3 hours. So now we're going to take the chicken and the steaks that we soaked for 3 hours earlier. We're going to just this kind of goes. We want like long ways. We're gonna put them in the oven. Oh, on the grill. Welcome to Wilson and the Family Kitchen today. Well, now we're gonna cook. You should always be careful. See? I'm putting our chicken satay on the grill. Smells good, but it's dangerous to touch. Ooh, that part's gonna cook fast. So yeah, they aren't completely done. So maybe let's give them another few minutes or 3. First time outside cooking. You smell, Dad?
Smells pretty good.
Yep. So now my dad is cooking and technically brings them onto the done plate. I know it's gonna be delish. So everyone, now we're going to try our chicken satay. Okay.
Very good.
Say
Very good. Oh, Ella, I just realized this is your plate.
ooh, that's really good.
Ooh, I want to try peanut sauce. That's really good. I want to like peanut sauce.
Peanut.
Is it good?
Yeah.
It is really good with the sauce.
It is really good with the sauce. Wrap it up. We'll see you next time on Wilson and Family Kitchen. Bye-bye now. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.
I was gonna say it.
Thank you.
Yeah, leave a like and subscribe.
Yeah, you're gonna be chicken.